I'm Riolo, and today we're going to make herb roasted turkey breast in a Marra Forni oven. So the first thing that I'm going to do is oil a baking sheet, and you want to make sure that you have something that's strong enough that it's going to withstand the high heat. So it doesn't need to be too big. I'm using a full turkey breast today, but the same recipe could be worked with a smaller piece of meat or also with a larger. So this is what we're going to be working with. I'm going to slice my lemon in half because this is going to give us a lot of juice. It's amazing to see how few simple ingredients can make a great herb roasted turkey. You can smell that bright citrus smell of the lemon. So now that I've got my turkey on the sheet, I'm just going to coat it with a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. And this is going to help to get a lot of nice flavor and also a good seal and a crust. With the high heat of the oven, you want to make sure that you're coating all of this skin so that it will have a really wonderful flavor. And the next step is our cavity. The cavity is perfect for us when we're working with the high heat because we can put all of our flavor inside, and as the turkey cooks, all of those flavors are going to coax out. So instead of chopping the herbs and putting them on the outside like we would in a regular oven, I'm going to stuff them on the inside. So here I've got rosemary. So this is nice fresh rosemary. It's going to go right in. A whole head of garlic, so you don't have to peel it, you don't have to do anything, you can just stuff it inside. Also, this beautiful fresh sage that has wonderful smell that's going to complement the turkey, and even a little bit of thyme. I'll put that in. And then I'm going to close it with half of my lemon, and this is just going to be like the seal for our turkey breast. Then I'm going to set it over on this side, make sure that everything is in the cavity, and I'll drizzle a little bit of lemon juice right on top. And you can put any type of vegetable that you like with this turkey. I'm going to do some potatoes today. We'll give it a nice generous portion of poultry seasoning. Some kosher salt. And some freshly ground black pepper. And we'll just work these in. I'm going to give it a little bit more olive oil to seal and give us a nice coat. Make sure that our lemon is inside. And now we're ready for the oven. So I've got my oven set to 500 degrees. You could go to 525 if you wanted to, but that's going to give us a nice coat. I know it's a little bit hotter than orthodox, but I think you're really going to like the finish that this puts on our turkey. So we'll put it in, we'll give it about 20 minutes and see how the coloring goes. We can baste it, and if it gets too dark on one portion, we'll add a little bit of aluminum foil, otherwise we'll let it go. And then in about 40 minutes, we're going to come in and add our potatoes.